the Fam here. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to edit your YouTube videos. The program I am using is just my Windows video editor, and I am going to show you how to do it. I'm just doing mine with pictures, with my merch. Just to give you an idea, but you can also use this with your video clips. So let's get started. Now the first thing when you get into your Windows video editor, this is what you're going to see here. It's going to say collection, albums, video projects, people, or folders. Excuse me, you're going to make sure that this is the one, the video projects, is underlined. That's the one you want to go to, okay? Now, these are the videos that I have done, okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to click on where it says New Video Project. And I'm going to show you the next one, because that will be the next step. After you click on that, this is what's going to come up. Where you see your pencil, this is for here. You're going to name your video. You're going to type in whatever your name is. I just kept it as new video because I don't have one yet that I'm putting up to where I need to use that. Once you've done that, you hit OK, and your title will show up here. Okay, after you get that done, the next thing is you're going to go into your files, okay? I'm just doing a quick one on my merch from beginning to end just to show you how simple it is. Okay, so you see I have my merch here, okay? So when you get that, your next thing you're going to do is I clicked on my shirt, which was the first thing in the merch. Then you're going to see where it says Project Library and Add. You're going to add your video clips or that. And I'm going to show you what's going to happen at that point. Your next step. I'm doing this step by step so you can see. Okay, so you see it will say... once you put a check mark there, it will say place in Storyboard. You're going to click on that, and this is what's going to happen when you click on place in the Storyboard. It's going to bring it down here. As you can see, this is the first one. Then I put this in. Okay, so that's the second one. Then when you do that, you're going to do that with all your pictures and they'll just go along here. This was my third one. So when I put that in, it shows up here in the order that you're putting them in. Okay? Now, this is going to seem a little drawn out and I do apologize, but I wanted to show you step by step. Okay, so the next one I did was my t-shirt, which you can see here. So I put that there and I put it in the storybook and it put it here. Okay, so the next step after you get them all up, okay, you can see they're all down here now. Your next thing you want to do is you want to go to the resize. When you hit the resize, you'll see two choices. Remove the black bars or shrink to fit. Okay, because these are the black bars. So to make it look good, you're going to hit remove the black bars. And this is the way it's going to look when you do that. Okay, as you can see, all the black bars are removed. There is no more black bars. You cannot see it. Okay? And that's what that will look like. Now you got to use your judgment. As you can see, when I remove the black bars on my phone, it took off, you can see the top part here, it took that off. So I wanted to show you that, because the other ones show okay, but it took off the top part. So you may, if that happens, you may have to keep the black bars. That's why you do go through each and every one of them. Now, after you get that process done, okay, the next thing is you're going to go where it says text, because you done resized or you kept it. The next thing to do is to add text if you would like. Since I'm doing my merch, this is where your text would go, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. Okay, I put my text in, and this is what it looks like here. Okay? And you can see it's down here. Okay, so once you have that, the next thing is, you see up here, it says background music. That's going to be the next thing if you want background music. You do not have to have background music, or you can do custom audio to it, okay? Once you add when you click on that, this should be this is what will come up here. And you can choose any one of these for your background music. It shows you your music volume, so you can set it to your liking. Once you're done with the background music, then you come over here to where it's highlighted here to finish video, and it will process what you just did and put it together. At that point, then you look in your folders under my videos, and it will show you, once you're done doing this, it will show you where it's at, and that's how you do it. As far as how to trim and cut a video, if that's the type of information you're looking for, I'm sorry I can't help you with that part of it, because I haven't had to use that, so I'm not sure how that works. But I can tell you, use YouTube for your advantage. As I said in my last tutorial, hashtags are a big help in search. So, even if you don't use the hashtags in your search, put in the type of editing that you're looking for, and it should tell you. But this is what I use. I use this for, you could see the videos in the beginning that I use this for. I use this for what I call my life videos. My videos when I went to see my boys. My daughter's video. When I went to the videos, when I went to the Riverwalk here in San Antonio. In the different places, and this is how I did it. It's a great tool to use. If you're looking, like I said, for more advanced, I have not had to use the other ones, because most of my videos, as you know, is like this. I like to be as natural as possible. Most people use the YouTube video for when they are doing a live stream and something goes wrong. And other people use different ones. in most of the video editing programs you have, they have simple instructions, into tutorials, whatever one you're using. If this is not the type of information that you're looking for, I do highly suggest that you go and you look that up. Because I can't help you any further than this as far as the editing. I hope that it helped you out, and remember, please, when you look at somebody, look at them with your heart and not your eyes, because what the eyes see isn't what's important. What truly matters is invisible to the eye, because only the heart can see it. And that's the part that matters, because that's deep down inside the person. Don't judge a person by their skin, their color, the way they dress, the way they walk. Look into their heart. Get to know that person. Walk a mile in their shoes. If you can't walk a mile in their shoes, then don't be the first one to judge, because you don't know what they're going through in their life. So always remember that. And remember, you are important to me. You matter. And I love you for who you are and for what you are. So until we see each other again, bye. I love you all.